जायमानो हवै ब्राह्मणः त्रिभिर्नवा जायते ब्रह्मचर्येण ऋषिभ्यः यज्ञेन देवेभ्यः प्रजया पितृभ्यः। सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः। अस्माकं सौभाग्यमेव यत् एतादृश वेदगुरुकुले वेदपाठशालायाम् अस्माकम् अत्र सान्निध्यम् अस्माभिः प्राप्तम्। इट् इस् प्यूर्ली a blessing for us to hear all this and know that it is happening just near our place and it is so accessible. Yatha vayam sarve janimah vedah akhila dharma moolam. So whenever the beauty is, we may have many acharyas. In our Bharata Desha, there are hundreds of devatas, devalayas, kshetras, acharyas. But when you go to all the acharyas, their way of propagating the importance may be different. Param yada sarveshamapi moolam iti vayam darshayamas, all of them go to one common source of truth, which is Vedas. That is why if we hold the Vedas very firmly, then we know that this is the Moola root. That is why Manu Smriti, he says Vedaha Akhila Dharma Moolam. And we have got the Moolam and we are enjoying the benefit. Of course, in the Vedas, we have Dharma Shastram, we have the Karma Shastram, how we should do all the Acharana. From the Samhita part, Mantra Bhagaha Santi Tatra, Brahmana Bhageshu, all the Prayogaha, Tatsarvam Vartate. यदा उपनिषद आरण्यके गच्छामः तत्र तु वयं जानीमः अरुणप्रश्नाद् आरभ्य सह वै चित्तिसृक् अश्वमेधम् इत्यादि प्रश्नाः सन्ति। तत्र पूर्णतया प्रिपेरिंग अवर्सेल्व्स फॉर द ज्ञानम फ्रॉम द उपासना, फ्रॉम द सूर्योपासना, ऑल ऑफ दोस वी गेट टू नो। उपनिषद भागे यदा गच्छामः तत्रापि तैतरीय ऐत्र स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किंच जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन बुद्धिताः माविद्रः कस्यस्विद्धरम्। नेक्स्ट उपनिषद साक्षी चेता केवलो निर्गुणश्च. So one all these Upanishads give us the final philosophical jnana and even all the dharma tattvam. For example, in Bhagavad Gita we say yobhungte stena eva sah sayah ekas tasmai pachate sah stena eva sah. From where it comes? In the Veda we say kevalado bhavati kevalaghi, yaha kevala adaha, one who eats for himself, saha kevala aghi, saha kevala agam papam ashnati. The same thing he takes there. The same way in the Vibhuti Yoga today we saw Vibhuter vistarasho maya pradhanyata kurushreshta nastyanto vistarasya me. Same thing we see in Vishnu Nukam Viryani. So you can count anything, you can count sands, nakshatra, but the Vishnoha Viryani Gunani you can never count. So there are lot of Samyamsha which we find as we read the Bhagavad Gita. The Vedas talk to us, as the Vedas talk to us, Bhagavad Gita and Itihasa Purana Abhyam, which is why Itihasas and Puranas extrapolate and help understand the Itihasa Purana Abhyam Vedam Samupabrahmayet. Yadi Vedanam Upabrahmanam, extrapolation, expanding, understanding, tarhi Itihasa Purana avashyakam. Itihasa Purana yada vayam pathamah asya moolam kutra asti vede vartate iti jnatum shakyate asmabhi. Evam paraspara anvayatvam bhavishyati. Evam vedasyapi mahatvam jnatva. Again, when we go in the Vedas, tatra how we should live every day, from everyday living to Swargakamo, Jyotishtomo, Yajeta, those kind of things are also there. But from a daily living, what is that we should do every day, which is applicable for every day, everybody, common knowledge. If you ask, Panchava ete maha yajnaha, the Pancha yajnas are told, Deva yajnaha, Pitri yajnaha, Manushya yajnaha, Pitri yajnaha, Brahma yajnaha. These 5 yajnas, different levels, these have been taught. When we teach children, it is taught at a different level. When it is taught Sayana Bhashya, differently he says, but the summary is like this: being grateful, gratitude, that is the Panchamahayajna. Of course, in the Smriti Shastra, they say that whatever every day we cut all the vegetables, we do the Peshala, all that as a Prayaschitta, we need to do the Panchamaha-yajnas. But even otherwise, just being grateful, Deva Yajna, being grateful to the God, Bhagavan, being doing the puja, doing all Bhagavat Karyas, Deva Yajna, Pitri Yajna, Shraddhadi Karma, Tirtha Shraddha, Ityadaya, Pitri Yajna, Prajaya Pashubhyah, Prajaya Pitrubhyah. So, with the starting when we said, Jayamano Havi Brahmana, Tribhir Rinava Jayate. Each of us are born with three debts. And we need to do that. Of course, we do Brahma Yagyam, Deva Rishipital Tarpanam, Karishetu Kurmaha. Param Brahmacharyena Rishibhyaha, Yagyena Devebhyaha. Today we did Yagya. Small, it is not the big Yagya, but whatever small Yagya we did. That is the Yagyena Devanam Pritihi Bhavati. Yajna Shishtashinas Santo, Parasparam Bhavayantaha, Yajnaha Kalpitam, all that, whatever third chapter, all of that is told in our Bhagavad Gita also. So, Yajnena Devebhyaha, Prajaya Pitrubhyaha. So, the Garhastya Dharma which we need to take, Praja Utpatti, through that the Pitru Devatas. As the next Praja comes, the third gets released. And therefore, it continues like that. Therefore, this is what 3 loans which we have to finish. So, Pitru Devata, Brahma Yajna, Deva Yajna, Pitru Yajna, Bhuta Yajna. Even till date, many people wait, at least they never eat alone also. And somebody serves, they take. All these kind of rules are there. So, Bhuta Yajna for all the Bhutas, starting from your Rangavalli, that day we discussed. Rangavalli, Shwana Bali, Kaka Bali, all these which we do. Bhuta Yajna, Manushya Yajna, Atithyam Yat Kriyate Bhavadbhihi. You are the best people in Atithyam, we don't need to tell in Astika Nagaram. Manushya Yajna, Brahma Yajna, which is doing the Adhyanam Adhyapanam, which we continue to do. So out of the Shat Karmas, 2 things, Adhyanam Adhyapanam, Swadhyaya Pravachanabhyam, Na Pramaditavyam. So every day one Prashna we continue to read. It can be from the Vedas for the applicable people, from the Itihasa Puranas, from the Shlokas, whatever we continue doing. That is Brahma Yajna. And the Brahma Yajna as a karma also we are doing. So like this, Veda tells us how to do our everyday living, it answers all the questions. It shows the Parabrahma Swarupa also. And Bhakti also, something like Namakam, Chamakam, Suktas and all gives lot of Bhakti. So Bhakti Margaha, Jnana Margaha, Karma Margaha, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha Margaha. Vedamanu, for graduation ceremony, convocation, best thing, Vedam, Shishyanusandhana is available. Vedamanuchyacharyon Tevasena Manushasti. If you want to know Omkara Mahima, Omityekaksharam Brahma, Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshe, Omityetat. Here it is still Pravakshe in Gita, there they tell the answer. Tatte Padam Sangrahena Bravin Yomityetat. They finish it actually in the Vedas. Yachandasam Shavo Vishwarupaha Chandobhyo. If you are forgetting something, to remember Karnayo Shrutam Machyo or Dvammamamushya Om, to remember. So, all techniques again in the Vedas, we have everything. Depending on the applicability and the eligibility, we can experience the Vedas. And the only thing which our elders keep telling is, just like use of sandalwood, Yajnavalkya in his Smriti says, you can use sandalwood for cooking also. You can actually use it in a Daivi Bhakti also. So when we read the Vedas and also try to understand the meaning, the Bhashyas which our Pranam Mahodaya, all of them are reading, the Bhashyas we enjoy it better. For that some Samskrita Jnanam that also helps, and we can slowly improve ourselves and do that, which you are already doing. All of you are doing excellently. We are so blessed to be in this place. Aham Vedmi Mahatmana. So again, everywhere it comes, when we start from the Ramayana also, Rama Gunaha, when we say Veda Vedanga Tattvajnaha Dhanurvedecha Nishtitaha. So Sahapi Veda Vedanga Tattvajnaha, which is where he gets all his knowledge from. Aham Vedmi Mahatmanam and the Purusha Suktam, we have already seen that how there is a Samyamsham. So each of these kind of knowledge are available. We will experience the joy. It is very late already. So 10 minutes they gave, 10 minutes over. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishaha go brahmanebhyo shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram.